We take an oath that we are all 18 years young.
You want to be 18 or 16? Mr. Chaudhary, 16 is the demand.
Wonderful. We follow smartly the leader or anchor, that's me for day. So all are smart people? Yeah. Wonderful. Now smart people are there. What you have to go do is listen carefully. This time we'll be using the sound. The sound is H-O, ho, H-A, ha.
Ho, ho, ha, ha.
So you have to use the sound ho, ha. Keep your hand on the belly. Feel that when you say ho, the belly should go and get in. All right, we are all smart people. We'll do 3 times. All right, do as a clapping. This time clapping is rhythmic and dynamic. As what we do when we get up in the morning, our body is in a different phase of the work. With the stress, we enhances our internal organ. Diaphragm moves up and down, and your body gets stretched. You get more air in. You take more air in, more oxygen level in blood, you feel fresh, energetic. Why I done a stretching? Because next time we'll be doing bending. We'll take help of breathing. It's a simple breathing, just wider one. Make your body relax. When you bend down, belly should be in, take air out. When you get up, take air in and express lightly. Once more. That's why I said remove your belonging. Now, third time, what we are going to do is, this time, we'll be laughing out the natural way. Are we ready? Yes. The way you want to laugh, no problem. Start. Only three. We'll be doing handshake laugh, but presume that your hand is dirty. Just think your hand is dirty. You cannot touch hand. Probably, hi, how are you? That way. The way you want to greet, probably both way. Only second laugh. This time. Next time we are going for much more deeper laugh. This laugh we call gradient laugh. Second. Double air, maybe show both hands. This time, a best wishes for male. How we do it? It's like jackpot. When you win, what you say? Yes! Yes! Your marriage is beautiful marriage. We express. Wonderful. Okay, jackpot laugh with the wishes to the newly couple. As much. And nothing you can hold, then burst like balloon. All right?
So you'll be bursting from your face.
Bursting from face purely. If you bust your stomach, then problem. Fill your stomach full with air, mouth full with air. Who would like to become younger and younger? We call lion laugh. If this laugh you do really well, your voice won't be the same voice. What you're going to do is, make your jaw fully open wide as much as possible. Tongue out. Let your neighbor see how clean it is. Eyes fully wide open like lion. Use hand like paw. Create your own charity like lioness and lion. Look, people are watching you. If you decide you can only win the prize,
Exhale, go forward, inhale and up. And a big laughter for all the
chance to grab the prize. A last balance. Let this we spread happiness, peace around the globe. We all members pray together towards health, happiness, cheerfulness, spreading around us, and energize our immune system to excel out. Let's do one thing, last exercise. Let's do one. Raise, little higher, 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 higher. Bend little back. Bend, bend, bend. More, hold, bend, hold, bend, hold, bend, hold, bend. Clap yourself.